Hi everyone, Janie here. Welcome back to my garden and welcome back to, oh my gosh, what day is it? 26 of my 30-day garden transformation challenge. As you can see, I am in painting clothes today, so you can probably guess what I'm doing today, but let's get started with my daily routine.
The girls just left last night for a week with my parents, so I'm on my own for watering my plant stash for the rest of the challenge. I'm glad the girls will get to spend some quality time with their grandparents, and Jason and I can get some one-on-one time too. I decided to work in the center island this morning and pulled weeds right by my purple pillar Rose of Sharon. I fertilized the Rose of Sharon with an all-purpose fertilizer, then decided to underplant it with some bejeweled dark amethyst penstemon. I love the pink pearls version of this plant, so I'm eager to see how the dark amethyst will do. I watered them in, then moved on to deadheading this one plain the blue salvia. It had been bothering me. It was kind of hanging in the driveway, so although it only took less than 2 minutes to deadhead this plant, it made a huge difference for me. And with that, I finished my daily routine for day 26.
All right, I am done with my daily routine and I have a little bit of help today, which I'm very excited about because this is a project that I have been putting off for so long, and that is painting these metal raised beds back here. Now these raised beds, these have been here the longest out of everything in this back garden. I got them, they were $50 each off Amazon, and they have been working great. Eventually I will be replacing them. That is my plan. I want to replace them with wood beds that are a little bit taller. But for now, they seem to work beautifully. But one thing that we have wanted to do per recommendation from Michael Glassman is paint them black, just so that they kind of blend in. And I do think that they'll look really, really pretty painted black. I tried to start painting them black over here, but I didn't have the right paint. I ended up getting like a direct to metal spray paint or something like that. And I finally was able to locate the direct to metal paint that should make it a little bit easier. So Jason is here to help me. Oh, I did want to address, every time I paint, a lot of people recommend that I get a paint sprayer. Thank you for that recommendation. I actually do have a paint sprayer and I don't actually really like using it. It kind of gets everywhere. There's a ton of cleanup after, and I don't know. I just like using a roller and a paintbrush a little bit better. So that is what Jason and I are going to do today. How long do you think this is going to take us?
Hours at least.
Couple hours, right?
A few hours.
Do you think we're gonna finish?
I don't know. It depends how hot it gets.
I know. So I don't know if you heard him. He says, I don't know if it depends on how hot it gets. If it gets too hot, we won't finish, but at least we can make a big dent in this task that has been on my to-do list, and I don't want to do it, but at least I have company today.
Covered by flowers. You just want to... How's yours looking?
Fine.
Streaky?
A little bit. Oh!
Did he step in it?
He just dropped his ball straight in the paint.
He's going inside.
Monty,
Dogs with paint is just...
don't get your ball. Do not get your ball. Oh my God. That's ridiculous. What do I do? Oh my God, that's hilarious. Yeah, I'll probably need 2 coats. 2 quick coats, you know. This is not very fun.
It's not very fun. Way more tedious than I imagined it being.
Yeah. Well, even if we get like just 2 done.
Progress.
Yeah, I think my biggest limitation is going to be the heat.
Are you getting your brush dirty? Like, are you going that close to the dirt, or just leaving it strip in the middle?
I'm leaving a little strip, but my brush is dirty.
Second coat's going to look a lot better.
Yeah, and once winter hits, I think coming in with another coat is going to make a big difference too.
Why is that?
Well, because then all these plants will be gone.
Oh, sure. Easier to do.
Yeah. I mean, this isn't the best time to be doing this, you know?
It is not. Ow!
What? What?
I got a thorn on my butt. Oh my gosh. Nope. That hurt. Oh my gosh.
Can I?
Oh my gosh, there's a rose thorn right behind. Holy cow. Ow.
Did you get it?
It hurts. I stabbed it, like, I don't know, right? Right, it's still there? Oh yeah, I just pulled a bit of thorn on my butt. Oh. Okay.
Can I put that on camera?
I don't care. Jeez.
Poor Monty. I bet he wants to be out here.
I know, but
No. I can't believe you dropped the ball like directly in the rain. It's like so like him. Like, oh, you're busy doing something?
yeah.
I feel like I'm getting in the groove.
You,
Huh?
good for you.
It's starting to get warm. This bed definitely needs a second coat. Just because it's hard to paint with all the flowers, you know? I'm painting this, and it's literally steaming as I paint it.
Wow.
Okay. I did all four.
One and a half done.
Okay, so let me give you all a little bit of an update. I think the consensus is that I am 1,000 times better at painting raised beds than Jason.
At least 1,000.
At least 1,000. I painted 4 raised beds, and Jason's on 1.5. At least I can say I'm better than him at something, right? Okay, it's really sunny and I can barely see the screen, so hopefully you guys can see what we've got going on. Now, we're definitely gonna have to do a second coat on these beds. The direct to metal paint is so much better than the direct to metal spray paint I was using, but it still is a little bit streaky, so I think it would do with another coat or possibly even 2, but I do think it looks really, really good. So Michael, you were right. This looks fantastic. So if you look over on this side, these are the 4 that I completed and I finished. I don't want to paint the inside of it because if I do paint or if I do grow vegetables in here, I don't want the paint touching the soil or anything like that. So we're just doing the outside of the beds and they kind of just disappear. They're not fancy beds. Again, each bed was $50 from Amazon and they are open on the bottom because it's all, it's the no-till method and all that kind of stuff. But I do think it looks really, really good. I forgot to tell you guys in the beginning, this is the color Tricorn Black, which is the same color that we painted the posts that the roses are going to grow on. And that is different compared to the fence, which is actually Bare Slate, which is a stain color. But they're so close, it doesn't matter. So anyway, it looks pretty good. It's definitely getting hot out here, right? Are you getting hot?
Yeah, it's not too bad yet.
The black looks so good with the Angelonia, the pink Angelonia.
Yeah, you like that?
Doesn't that look amazing?
I haven't even taken a step back.
Take a
to look
step
at
back
it.
and look
Yeah,
at what
it
you're
looks
doing.
nice.
I think it looks really, really good. I'm
It's
excited.
It's the same concept as the black fence. It just kind of more contrast, kind of.
It just makes it pop.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm a little worried about this garden bed because as you can see, the lantana and the James Britannia completely grew over. It's looking gorgeous. It's looking so beautiful, but I'm probably just going to do it the way that I did this bed over here, which I just went in and lifted the plants up, painted real fast, and then dropped them down. And if the plants get paint on them, so be it. And we'll just come back and fix it. Wow, babe, your shirt.
I know. It's my good shirt.
What on earth happened? What did you do?
It's well used.
I guess it's your painting shirt. Is this your Giants shirt?
Yeah.
Oh, you love this shirt.
I'm not gonna throw it away.
Okay, it'll be your painting shirt. All right, so we're gonna try and get going. It was so funny when I was up here, I was like, oh, maybe we'll get 2 done today, and I think we'll get them all done today now that we've gotten in the groove of it. This one will be really easy because it's a pretty empty bed. I'm just worried about this one. All right, done. Well, done with the first coat. I think it looks great. What do you think?
Yeah, it looks nice.
I think it looks beautiful.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, it's putting lipstick on a pig type of thing, right? Like, they're not nice raised beds, but they'll do for now. And they look a lot better black. It kind of blends in with everything, and it really, really does make the foliage pop and the flowers pop. It just looks gorgeous. So we are going to have to come back, and we are going to have to do a second coat, but there's no way we can do it right now, because when I was painting here and here over there as they were facing the sun, the paint was like steaming off. That's a sign it's probably too hot.
Warm. Yeah.
Little too warm for this. So this is not the right time of year to be doing this, but at least we got a coat on. And maybe I'll come back and do a second coat. I don't know, or maybe I'll just wait for the second coat.
Let it sit and see if it bothers you. It's pretty streaky right now.
It is pretty streaky, but okay, well, maybe I'll come back another day and do a second coat when it's nice and cool and all that kind of stuff in the morning. So, and I think it'll be easier doing a second coat because I feel like we figured out the best way to do it. And the best way to do it is to really load your brush up with paint, right? It's like you cannot be delicate with this type of paint, or else it gets way too streaky. So anyway, so that was my focus garden task for the day. Took a little bit longer than other tasks, but I'm really happy I got it done. And my treasure trove rudbeckia is starting to bloom back here in my Easyscape planting. It's starting to look really, really beautiful, really good. So thank you for helping me.
You're welcome.
Sorry you got poked in the butt with a thorn.
That hurt.
I'll clean up. Okay. Okay. I hope you all enjoyed this, and I hope you all have a chance to get in your garden today.
Bye.